All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
India's exports rose by 5.57% to $59.93 billion during April to December this fiscal on account of healthy demand in the American market for domestic goods, according to government data. During December, the shipments increased by 8.49% to $7 billion, the data showed. On the other hand, imports during the first 9 months of 2024-25 grew by 1.91% to $33.4 billion, while in December it was up by 9.88% to $3.77 billion. According to experts, going by the trend, the total trade between the two countries will continue to grow in the coming months also. The bilateral trade during April to December 2024-25 stood at $93.4 billion as against $94.6 billion between India and China. The experts added that the possible trade war between the US and China will give huge export potential for Indian exporters. The US is the largest trading partner of India from 2021 to 22. The US accounts for about 18% of India's total goods exports and over 6% in imports and about 11% in bilateral trade. Some experts raised concerns that if the US would impose additional duties on certain Indian goods, as threatened by US President Donald Trump, it can impact trade. In December last year, Mr. Trump had said India charges a lot of tariffs, reiterating his intention to impose reciprocal tariffs in retaliation for what New Delhi will impose on the import of certain American products. India should respond firmly and in equal measure. Economic think tank Global Trade Research Initiative, GTRI, founder Ajay Srivastava said. In 2018, when the US taxed Indian steel and aluminium, India retaliated by raising tariffs on 29 US products, recovering equivalent revenue.